Northern Virginia uninsured accident lawyer. Getting into an accident is stressful enough, but when the other driver doesn't have insurance, the situation becomes even more complicated. Many Virginia drivers aren't aware of how vulnerable they are until it's too late. These accidents often result in medical bills, vehicle damage, and time off work, all without the backing of the at-fault driver's insurance to cover costs. In Northern Virginia, understanding how uninsured motorist accidents are handled can make a real difference in your recovery process. Virginia's legal landscape presents challenges for those hit by uninsured drivers. Virginia law follows a fault-based insurance model and a contributory negligence rule. This means that if you are found even slightly at fault for the accident, you may be barred from receiving compensation. To complicate matters further, insurance companies often dispute the extent of injuries or deny valid claims. Working with a lawyer who understands these laws and how to navigate them is key. At Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC, their attorneys investigate liability, help clients handle bad faith insurance tactics, and are ready to go to court when negotiations fall short. If you're wondering what to do after being hit by an uninsured driver, there are steps you can take to protect your rights. First, reporting the accident to law enforcement is required by law. It's important to obtain the official crash report for use in any claims or litigation. Next, document the accident scene, collect witness information, and take photographs. Even if you don't feel hurt, seek medical attention immediately and maintain detailed records of all treatments. Notify your insurance provider quickly. Virginia auto policies include uninsured motorist coverage unless waived in writing, which can step in to cover medical costs, lost wages, and property damage. Uninsured motorist, and underinsured motorist, UIM, coverage are critical safety nets in Virginia. Coverage applies when the at-fault driver lacks insurance or in hit-and-run cases. UIM applies when the other driver has insurance, but it's not enough to cover your losses. As of July 1, 2023, Virginia allows the stacking of and UIM policies across vehicles to boost available compensation. These policies are now mandatory unless rejected in writing, and as of July 1, 2024, paying the uninsured motor vehicle fee is no longer an option. Insurance is required for all drivers. Understanding your own policy's limits and how claims are handled can prevent undercompensation. At Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC, attorneys work directly with clients to build strong cases. They investigate thoroughly, gathering accident reports, statements, and evidence to determine fault and assess the total impact of injuries. When insurance doesn't cover the full damages, their legal team is prepared to pursue lawsuits and represent clients in court. The law firm focuses on identifying all possible compensation sources, including UIM policies and any additional parties that may be held liable. For those denied fair treatment by insurers, having a lawyer who can push back against delays, denials, and misrepresentations is essential. If you've been involved in an uninsured accident in Northern Virginia, don't try to face the aftermath alone. A seasoned lawyer can help you understand your insurance coverage, strengthen your case, and fight for the compensation you deserve. Call Jennifer Porter Law, PLLC at 571-532-9070 or visit them at 8280 Willow Oaks Corporate Drive, Fairfax, Virginia, 22031, United States to schedule a consultation and take the next step toward financial recovery.